Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 2nd, and this is my PM recap for gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, gold just kept on pushing up today. Very, very nice move. I personally think this is more likely a wave one, wave two, and we're in a wave three. If you take it up to the daily time frame, I think this right here is likely the end of a pullback, and we're likely going to go up and take out the previous highs. So if that's a wave three on the sort of time frames, then it potentially should continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and I would definitely hold on to my longs, potentially try to get in more longs at the end of pullbacks, especially if this is a wave one, two, three, because the target for wave three is at least a 161% Fibonacci extension of wave A projected out the bottom of wave two, or wave one projected out the bottom of wave two. We're not even to the 61% Fibonacci extension yet, so we have a lot of upside potential if it really is a wave three. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.